खुश हूँ और अभी मॉनसून का जो सीज़न है मेरे हिसाब से तो ख़त्म होने को आया है और अभी जो हम बाइकर्स में हम बोलते हैं कि द राइडिंग सीजन हैज स्टार्टेड। अक्टूबर, दिसंबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जैन, फेब ये हमारे राइडिंग सीजन्स हैं। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि हमारे दोस्तों के साथ मैं मोटरसाइकिल चला सकता हूँ और एक मुझे इतनी अच्छी प्यारी एप्रिलिया मोटरसाइकिल मिली है और ये 1000 सीसी मोटरसाइकिल है, काफ़ी पावरफुल है। But I'm very, very excited. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Where do you usually go for bike ride? Because Mumbai roads are.
I think more than where, it should be when. I take the bike out at about 12:30, 1 in the morning, and I ride till about 2 o'clock, and I go from here into South Bombay, and I come back.
लेकिन मुंबई की सड़कें भी हैं इतनी गंदी कि बाइक चलाना थोड़ा सा रिस्की हो जाता है।
जी, काफ़ी रिस्की हो जाता है, इसीलिए हम अभी क्या करें, हमारी जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो इतनी बुरी है। We've got such bad roads, लेकिन ये बाइक का जो शौक़ है, बाइक को तो चलाना ही है, तो कोशिश यही है कि मैं एक सेफ्टी गियर पहनूं, सेफ्टी गियर, सेफ्टी बूट्स, जैकेट्स, हेलमेट्स, दैट्स व्हाट आई वेयर एंड आई राइड। बट यस, मुंबई के जो रास्ते हैं वो बहुत ख़राब है, दे आर हॉरिबल एंड वी मस्ट टेल द गवर्नमेंट टू डू समथिंग अबाउट द रोड्स, राइट? क्योंकि हम लोग सब रोड टैक्स भरते हैं।
जॉन, आपने धूम 3 का ट्रेलर देखा क्या? जिस तरह से आमिर खान ने बाइक स्टंट दिखाया है, कुछ अलग ही आपने देखा क्या?
जी, मैंने देखा, मुझे ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और आई विश देम नो माय लव, डोंट डू दैट प्लीज, आई एम सॉरी अबाउट दिस। It's a nice trailer. Sorry, you can put it on my lap if you want.
John, here we can see the love for your bike. प्रिया को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, jealous नहीं होती, वो सब आप शेयर करते हैं। हाँ, इससे ज़्यादा बाइक से प्यार देते हो। Not a non-living thing.
No, I mean I love motorcycles. I've always loved motorcycles from day one. तो किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because everybody knows I love motorcycles.
So she doesn't complain about it.
Next question.
अच्छा, हम बाइक के ट्रेलर की बात कर रहे थे।
I think the Dhoom 3 trailer is very good. I hope there is a lot of motorcycles in it because I'm a motorcycling enthusiast, and I wish Amir and especially Abhishek and Duday all the best. And I'm sure it'll be a very big hit.
So, John, biking is the secret of your great race.
I think biking is it's just like a great it's a great adrenaline rush and it's great testosterone for you, for a man, and it's great to ride a bike because it makes life a lot more exciting. And I think bikers always look cool on motorcycles, so I think all men look cool on motorcycles, so men should ride motorcycles because driving a car is easy, but riding a motorcycle is very exciting. Biking for me is passion, and see how my friends trying to protect the bike.
John, how safe do you feel women are in Mumbai? गणपति के दौरान बहुत से ऐसे केसेस सामने आए जब women को मोलेस्ट किया गया, जब भीड़ उतरती है सड़क पे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है। Do you think कि मुंबई में women security को लेके कहीं ना कहीं सवाल खड़ा होता है?
I think जो आप women security की बात करते हैं, I think it stems out of पहले तो education होना चाहिए। एजुकेशन के बाद अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है और हमारे जो मेल्स की जो मेंटालिटी है उसे चेंज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो सिर्फ एजुकेशन से मिलता है हमें। उसके अलावा मेरे हिसाब से पुलिस को और भी सख्त एक्शन लेना चाहिए अगेंस्ट एनी ऑफेंडर। आई थिंक दैट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, और अगर आप एक्शन ना ले तो यू आर एनकरेजिंग मोर ऑफ दीज केसेस, सो it's very important to take action. Well, Hamara Bajaj first of all is a working title. We're tired of people filing cases on us, and we don't want another litigation on our head from any other motorcycling manufacturer. We're fed up. So it's a working title, but yes, Hamara Bajaj is going to come on floors after Ayushman finishes this project. Shujit's got another project and comes on floors, and that's our next production after Madras Cafe, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. If you all liked Vicky Donor, you all will love Hamara Bajaj.
Because he's giving you Madras Cafe such a hit. Thank you.
Please. What do you want me to tell? Well, Shujit and I have a great partnership, and we have a great relationship. Like Shujit says, it's a marriage that we hope doesn't go wrong. we're planning 6 or 7 more films together as producers and even as director and actor. So the relationship is ongoing over the next 5 years at least, and I think another 8 films. Long time.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm doing an action film with Nishikant Kamath, the guy who made Force. All I can say is this is 100 times better than Force, and it's far more power packed.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. एक मिनट आराम से
ये हाथ निकाल
I'd like to have a stable full of motorcycles by at least another 5-10 years.
So that's what you do with your old ladies. But today morning was special, so that's why I asked it.
Yeah, today morning was really special. I'm very excited about seeing her.
Yeah.
I saw photos in the world, so motorcycles are also. That's why there's a hope for everything.
John, can I get a clip?
Saturday, Sunday. John, you have to say.
John, camera look. John, the other side. John, the other side. John. Look here. हो गया. John. दत्ता. Yeah, that's good. John here, John. John, yeah. कुछ भी कितना नकल करोगे रे मेरा
I'm really excited. I'm honored to have such a high performance engine, and being a biker, if anybody understands motorcycles and performance, this is amongst, if not the highest performing engines around. And I've had my fair share of a nice little fall. You know, I enjoyed this baby in Delhi and I had a nice fall, and I realized that this is the baby I want, and I'm here with Aprilia RSV4. I wanted a matte black. They insisted on a factory, but I wanted a matte black because I love the matte black, and I can't stop staring at her. So after this is over, I'll keep looking at her for a bit. Talk about beautiful heroines. This is the most beautiful. It's really beautiful. So I'm open to questions that you guys want to pose to ask me. Yeah, I think that's the most valid question and the best question that someone could have asked. Thank you for asking that. I always encourage riding with a helmet. Like people buy clothes, I say I buy my helmet. I have a AGV, a Suomi. I have the entire range of helmets, and my helmets cost me a lot. I treat them like my children, and you know, people have a habit of strapping their helmet on the motorcycle, which is a complete no. One fact about a helmet, because we're talking about safety here, is that if the helmet hits against something or falls, it's useless. It can never be used again because it's already developed a fracture. So you must keep your helmet like how you keep a newborn child. And that's how I keep my helmets. As far as leathers are concerned, I think it's very important to wear biking shoes, biking boots when you're riding, especially a liter class engine like this. This is a 1000cc engine, and they're very heavy. What's the dry weight? 165, 170, 180. It's about 180 dry weight, so it's about 200 kilos with fuel. So imagine 200 kilos falling on your foot of metal. So riding boots are very important, and riding gear is very important. And this is for all the youngsters who ride without helmets. My only advice to them is, I did a film called Dhoom, and even there I wore a helmet, and jo bhi karenge, style se karenge. I always said, take off your helmet if you want to impress a woman, stop the bike, whatever. What's the point of not wearing a helmet and going so fast past a woman? She can't even see you. The only thing she says is, idiot. You know? So I always encourage youngsters wearing helmets. It's great. And wear the best looking helmets because it protects your head. And you're precious to your families. And especially girls who are mostly pillion riders sitting at the back, please encourage your partners to give you helmets, because you all are more susceptible to getting hurt than the rider in front. So that's my only advice on safety, besides maintenance, which you must understand how to maintain your babies. That's most important. Yeah, we're pretty, the talks, we've reached a pretty advanced stage. I am interested in the Moto 2 format. It's the Moto 3, the Moto 2 and the Moto GP. The Moto 2 is the 500cc. That's where my interest lies. I don't have too much money to invest in the Moto GP team, but we're looking at partners. I can't say at this point of time, it's too premature to say who my partner is, because how it works is you have a partner where the chassis is concerned, you have a partner where your engine is concerned, and you have a partner where your sponsor is concerned. So there are a number of partnerships that happen to form a moto team. I met the directors of Dorna, D-O-R-N-A, Dorna. They are the people who organize, who handle, and who own the property of the MotoGP and the Superbike. So yes, I am in very advanced talks to be a partner in a MotoGP, Moto2 team, and I'd love to take my love forward by even planning. I'm scripting a film on serious motorcycling, which is my next step. For the MotoGP team, I think another 15 days, and that'll be a formal announcement, hopefully with a launch, if it happens this time. If we don't get a seat this time, because there are a number of people who are vying for the same spot, then I'll be delayed by a year, to be very honest with you. Yep. Yeah, this is a single seater. I just want you to know. Yeah, the one thing that I always mention, and actually it's not very flattering, is that once I had a pillion rider and there was a female behind me, and I fell down. I had a RD 350 and I fell down, and she fell over the jeep, and I got scared, and I picked up the motorcycle to see if there was any oil leaking. And the crowd told me, you know, she's fallen, what are you doing? I said, but लेकिन मेरा oil leak हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इसका क्या करूँ? So I was young then, I was brash, and obviously, I mean, but my love for motorcycles is very different. I'm sure Ikjot, who's a hardcore motorcyclist, will understand that in my younger days, I used to take out the chain and sprocket and put it on a plastic on the bed, and I used to sleep on the floor. So in the rains. So the battery, chain, sprocket, everything used to be taken out, greased and kept on the bed. So that's how I took care of my motorcycles. And I think if all of you ride, all you beautiful women out here have boyfriends who ride their motorcycles, I think they must have that kind of interest in maintaining their motorcycles, because it speaks a lot about how they're going to take care of their women in their life. Trust me, it makes a difference. Yeah, very exciting. I've been part of the entire process, and in fact, from bikes to the color of the helmets to the gear, everything has been chosen by me. Ikjot has been, because he's an avid biker, and I've got another friend of mine who's an avid biker who's not here today. Unfortunately, he had an accident, but he was safe. He was wearing a helmet, thankfully. So we've chosen the engine specs on each of these motorcycles, the chassis on each of the motorcycle. For all you girls who don't know, I mean, I always say girls, but boys also, jinko chassis ke baare mein pata nahi. That's the skeletal framework of your motorcycle. So we've chosen every little detail, including color combinations and riders for the John Abraham Drag Racer. I hope you guys enjoy the race, because it's actually a very user-friendly race. And we made it very user-friendly, so all you guys can actually sit on there and really enjoy this race. So all the best, and please give me your reactions after you really get onto this, get onto the game. Oh, you like him? He's a little, yeah, I've lost a little weight from there. Yeah.
Any last question, please?
Yeah, why not? I mean, as long as I'm not dancing around it, it's fine. As long as someone is riding it responsibly is great, because these machines are meant to be ridden with a lot of passion. And yeah, I'd love to use her in a film. Maybe one of my next exciting ventures which comes on board. Yeah, I'd love to use her. No, I will. Huh? Yeah, it comes with a, but I'd rather it was a one-seater. Yeah, it's a cowl. It's like how we have cowls everywhere. But no, I would not like to take anybody at the back. Honestly, I really wouldn't like to. Yeah, but she's so beautiful. Why would you need anyone more beautiful or as beautiful at the back? It's okay. I'm happy with one beauty in front. She's really, really beautiful.
Afternoon, John. Afternoon, John and gentlemen. Congratulations first. Two little offbeat things. What would you do with your old ladies now? Number one. And secondly, since you have everything, I mean, it's like you getting what you like. That's more important, and your first love. What happened when today morning you woke up and your first thought when you got up? Your first thought in the morning, because today you were getting something more of your love.
Well, Shrikant will tell you, I messaged him at 7 in the morning, I messaged him at 3 in the morning. I dream about motorcycles and I dream about motorcycle parts. So I say, you know, Ikjot, iska exhaust, how do we change this and get an aftermarket exhaust? So my thoughts are only motorcycles and how I can better they look. And my old babies, one I gifted to Sanjay Gupta after a shootout at Vadala, because I said, if you give me a hit, I'll give you what you want. And he said, give me your motorcycle. So I gave him my my baby. This is one in the was stable now, and I I hope to add a lot more to the collection. If you guys have heard of Jay Leno, and Jay Leno's got a garage full of cars, I'd like to have a stable full of motorcycles by at least in another 5-10 years.
So that's what you do with your old ladies. But today morning was special, so that's why I asked him.
Yeah, today morning was really special. I'm very excited about seeing her.
Right, thank you.
I saw photographs of her before I came here, so I call her because women are the most beautiful species in the world. So motorcycles are also. So that's why there's a her for everything. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, I've ridden on racetracks, and if I really wasn't an actor, then I'd be a super biker. I'd be a motorcyclist. I'm sure I'd love to take that to another level, and I'm trying to realize that through a motorcycling team. So I hope that happens sooner than later.
Thank you, everybody. May I invite all the photographers first to take a joint photo?